how we fixed our Suburban on-demand hot water heater. So this is the system we have right here. And to work it, you just turn the arrows up and down. Fortunately, there are 3 symbols that usually show up here. And when we turn our hot water on, those did not show up whatsoever. We had just moved from one RV park to the next. And so first we thought it was a water pressure issue and all that, but apparently it was not. So I am going to take you to our hot water heater, tell you what I did to test it, and how I came down to what was the issue. We do have a Jayco J-Flight unit, and so it is a brand new 2024 model. We've had it for 3 months at the time of the hot water heater going out. So it was under warranty, but we full-time in it. I did not want to carry it to the shop. Unfortunately, it was not something that I could just blow out, and I'll tell you what I'm talking about here in just a minute. So we did carry it in so they could evaluate, and then the Suburban hot water dealer did confirm that what I had said was the issue. So let me show you our water heater and I'll walk you through the steps. So first things first, back here, there's a little motor. There's a tube on the back of it. You're going to disconnect that tube and blow through the tube. This is going to eliminate any dust or water that has been caught in there. Secondly, you're going to, of course, release your water, turn this switch off. That is going to be your safety switch so you do not shock yourself. Then you're going to come into this box here, and if you have a needle reader, you're going to put one in with the yellow cord, one in with the black cord. You should get 5 gigahertz. And then you're going to turn on your hot water heater, and you should get 2.6 gigahertz when the water turns on. If you do not get 2.6 gigahertz at that time, that means it is more than likely your flow sensor valve. When you turn on your water on the inside, it is not telling your heater, hey, I need water, because it's not sensing water flow. It's pretty common sense, right? I thought so, but apparently it wasn't to everybody, and that's okay. So that flow sensor valve is this black piece right here. And unfortunately, that is very, very common to go out on these. So as you can see here, you're going to unscrew it there and then screw it from the bottom, and it's a quick connect on a couple wires there. But that's if you want to pay for the part. I didn't want to pay for the part because I pay for the warranty on this thing. So we packed this entire sucker up and carried it to a dealer. They did their evaluation and eventually came to the conclusion that was the part, ordered the part. We had to carry it back to the dealership and have them install the part in. Brought it home, and guess what? The water was working. And now that it's working, this is what you're gonna see come up on your screen. 1, 2, 3 symbols popping up. The water heater works.